Hi, this is Harris with WTI and I have this super big float. I got from Swimline via Amazon. It is very comfortable, it works very well in water, and we can spend hours on it without feeling discomfort. You can see the place to put the air on the back of the float. It is easy to use. It has two openings, one larger than the other in case we want to inflate it without mouth or use a machine. And it weighs nothing. As you see here, we can enter the water very easily. The pizza design is special to surprise children at home. We have two places where we can put some drinks or maybe sunscreen while we enjoy. And sunbathe, rest, or have a fun day on a beach or pool. And that's my point of view.